Hello, my dear students. Today I am here to discuss with you the concept of conditional statement in Python programming. Right. So before starting, let me introduce my channel, Intelligent Institute of Education, and still haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel. And if you have subscribed, so please subscribe in other devices because this is very important for me and you will get regular updates. Is this all right? So now I'm going to discuss with you conditional statements. So before discussing, let me share my presentation so it will be easy and you can understand, right? So now I am going to maximize this so you can understand this. So in this, basically the conditional statement we have in every programming language, like C programming language, C++, Java. And even though now we are learning Python programming, fine. So every programming, we have the conditional statement, like if statement, if else statement, if elif else statement, and nested if elif. The thing is that some syntax will be different. Like elif we have here in Python, but we don't have in here in C, C++, Java. So elif nothing. This is called as a if else part more than, that is called nested. So here our researcher has given the concept elif. Is it all right? So one by one, I will discuss with you, and after discussing, I will take you in the practical session. Fine. So now let us see here. What is the concept of behind the conditional statement? Basically, the concept of conditional statement, like we have to take a decision, like in our daily life, there are some conditions we have to complete. For example, now we have to start our journey from now I am here, like we can say in Dubai Mall. From here, I want to go to watch Burj Khalifa Tower. Fine. So what we have to do? We have to get everything, like our car is okay. If it is sufficient, we have the oil, the petrol, whatever we are going to use this. Okay. So if sufficient, we can start it. If no, so this condition is that the decision is that now what we have to do? We have to take the oil petrol. Fine. And also, if required, then we'll see the weather condition. If weather condition is good, right? If condition is good, then you can take certain decision. Is it we have to go outside and we have to stay here? Fine. Sometime we are supposed to take the class, fine, and there is no students. Then what we have to do? Is it we have to continue class and we have to stop it? Is this clear? So it means that in our life there are many conditions. We have to first complete condition, then go for the next statement. Is this clear? So now same thing here also. I'm going to show you. I'm going to execute this some condition. When condition will be true, then it will execute the program statement. Fine. So basically in this session, I will discuss with you if a statement and if else statement and nested if else statement. Is this all right? Now, now here, while we are going to use the condition if statement or elif or else, then we have to focus, we have to be very aware that what, when we are going to use the condition, after we have to write, when we have to finish the condition, we have to use intended. Intended, it means that the proper thing is colon. We have to use the proper colon. And when we are going to press the enter or when we are going next line, then we cannot start from the below same line. We have to give the 4 line spaces. And after that, we can use our statement, whatever the statement we are going to write. Is this called clear? So here, same thing I have given here. 4 spaces are used to indent the statement. Is this clear? Next. So when I'm going to explain the if statement, basically I want to start from here flowchart. So when we are going to check the condition, when condition will be true, fine. So before flowchart, let's see here expression also. If expression, whatever expression, like I'm going to check here condition, fine. So if condition is true, then go for the whatever the program statement we are going to write, that is called block of code. And after that, it will stop it. Fine. Next, when condition is false, so we don't have here any else part. Directly we are going to stop. It means that in this situation, when condition will false, then it will stop it. It will not go for the next line. Why? Because we don't have any else part. Is this clear? I will show you in practical session. Fine. Now here very simple is that I have given here enter your age and age going to check it. If your age greater than or equal to 18, you will eligible to cast your vote, because nowadays in India election is going on. So better, I was thinking to give this example so you can understand. Is this all right? Now here your age is 45, so now you are eligible to cast your vote. Is clear? But when below the 18, so what will happen? So I given here note. In this statement, if the condition is true, you will get an answer. When condition will false, then you can't get. Because why? Because you don't have our else part. Is this clear? We go for next. Now, if else, the better thing, the thing is that whatever in the previous it was drawback, now here we will complete this. Now let's start from beginning. Now here condition is going to check this. When condition will be true, then it will print the true block statement. But when condition is false, it means that when we are going to see the previous example, when your age below your 18, so it means that their screen was blank. But here we are going to use else. See, else block statement. And whatever the statement we are going to give, it will print in else block statement. Is this all right? Next, I have given here program. Now going to check it. And where condition false, it will take your else part. So better we can understand in practical. Go next. Here elif. What is the concept elif? Basically, the elif is going to check a multiple condition, right? When condition one first will be true, print this one. When condition will be second, print statement 2. Condition will be 3, print statement 3, or up to n minus 1, or up to we can say n time. Is this all right? Next, here also I have given here one example, like we are going to check the score, and according to a score, it will display your final grade, right? Like we have used here if, then elif 3 times, 4 times, then else, and finally your grade will be there. Next we have here, like we can say, if, elif, and else. Now we can say that is called as a nested. It means that nested in the sense the condition inside the condition. That is called inner condition and outer condition. But here, what we have to do, we have to focus for the intendant. We have to use the proper colon, and according to that, it will perform it. It will execute it. So very clear about that. It's all right. So you can download the question also. I am going to give question in a description section. You can get it from there. You can download, and also you can make. And whenever you are going to face doubt, so you can ask me through mail or in comment section. Now here, when you are going to visit any mall, so there are multiple offer. So how many the amount will be, according to that your check your offer, like 1,000 or 5,000, to what will be your total amount. So according to that, this program will perform. Fine. So here I don't want to take your much time. So I will take you in practical session and you can understand it. Because in programming based on the practical session. Is this all right? Here, thank you for watching, and you can write in comment section. You have any doubt, and you can email me. And even though now I have given my UAE number also and India number, in that also you can send your text. Fine. Now I'm going to stop here, and now I'm going to share with you the programming that is called our Jupyter notebook. So better I will explain you in there. Fine. So now here I'm going to take here plus one cell. And first of all, I would like to explain that is called if statement. So very simple. I'm going to enter your age. Okay. Like here int, because I'm going to specify int, because especially in Python, whatever data you are going to mention in the form of string, it will accept it when you are not going to mention any data. Is this all right? So you have to mention here in which form, like float or boolean, what you are going to mention. You are going to get it in the form of what? Now I'm going to get in the form of int. Fine. So I have mentioned here int. Now input, please enter your is. All right. After that, if your is greater than 18, print. yes, you are eligible to cast your vote. Okay, execute this. Now here we can see what is the invalid syntax. Forget a comma. Forget a comma. Where is the comma? Age int input. Please enter your age. If age age greater than equal to 18, print yes. Yes. Where is the mistake is here? See, give syntax invalid syntax. Like see here, we have to use here because this is the statement. Use single quote or double quote. Single quote or double quote. Now execute this. So please enter your age. Now I have given my age is here like 19 years. Okay. Yes, you are eligible to cast your vote. Fine. Again, I am going to execute this. Now I am going to enter the age, like age is here 16 years. What will be answer? Answer is nothing. Screen is blank. Screen is blank. Why? Because we have not used any other option like else part. Is this clear? So now in same situation, I'm going to use if else. So you can understand it. Fine. In same, I'm going to write here else. Very simple else. And here print no, you are not eligible to cast your vote. Now execute this. Now here your age is 16. Okay. So now here what is the concept you got here? No, you are not eligible to cast your vote. Is this clear? So what you have to do? Now here what we have to do? Now very simple. When condition is false, so this printing here else part is clear. Now I am going to take other example that elif we have to use. Now we have multiple conditions. Now I am going to take new cell here. Fine. So here what we have to do? Like I am going to enter the score, and according to a score, it will check your result. Fine. So see, our marks will be because in a schools, college, and universities vary on point marks also. So here we cannot use int. Here we can use float. That is called in decimal because ranking is very important for the student. Is all right. So now I have to use here float. Now here in input, please enter your marks to know to know to know your grade. Is all right. You have to enter the score. According to score, you will get it. Now, if a score greater than equal to 90, here intended, don't forget it. Okay. So here what? Grade. Grade equal to A. Fine. And now I'm not printing here every line. When it will finish, then final I will print it. Okay. Now here elif, 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 a score equal to, sorry, a score greater than equal to 80, colon, and here grade, grade. A spelling mistake, so it will show your error, B. Fine. Now I am going to copy this. Fine. Because we have to save our time. Now this here. Again. Okay. See here red. So we have to intend and very quick. A, B, C, D, and one more up to E grade. A, B. 1980, make here 70, and make here 60, make here 50. Because many universities, your result will be below 50, so you are failure. You are fail. So you have to attempt again. Fine. The same concept I am going to use here A, B, and here letter will be C. Then here your your letter will be D, and here your letter will be E. Is this all right now? A, B, C, D, E. Now below E, what will be? No need to check condition, directly else, and it will display ELSE, else. Okay. Now here your grade. Your grade will be F. Fine. And here I want to print some statement. What? Print, because you are failed. So don't worry about fail. You have to work hard. That's it. Failure, only who is going to failure will be the success. Don't worry about that. So you have to work, you have to work hard, because BECACAUSC, because, fine, comma, and remaining will be, I'm coming the out of here, and print your final grade. Okay. And here GRAD. Everything all right? Let's execute and check the result. Okay. Now here I am giving here more than 90, right? Like I am going to give here 95. What is the answer? You get A grade. Is all right? Again execute this program, and now I am going more than 80, or give 80. You B grade. Again execute it, because every I want to check here 77. You got here C. Again execute it and give here 61. C, D grade. C greater than 60. Fine. Again here execute this, and now I am going to give 50. E grade. Is this clear? Same program I am going to paste it in here, where? In description. All what now I'm making a plan. Google Classroom I am going to open, and every my PowerPoint presentation, every program I am going to upload. You can download it from there. Is this all right? Now Control F. Now below 50, like for example, you have 47%. Execute this. So now see, you have to work hard, because your final grade is F. So don't worry, you have to try. You have to consult your faculty and some resources. Definitely, inshallah, you are going to pass it. Okay. Now, elif. Now I am going to choose a nested if, elif, as well as else. More than one condition. Fine. So it will take long time. So better I am going to show the program. Program is here. Fine. See, nested if, else, and elif, all conditional statement. Fine. So now I'm here in Dubai. So Dubai Mall. When I'm going to enter the Dubai Mall, so there are many offer. And now basically we are human being. So what we are planning, where is the offer? We are going to ask, and we will go in offer places. So offer places, what this is a program is I have written. You have to buy at least when more than 1,000. And this offer is going to start from 5,000. Is this all right? So let's execute this program so you can understand. Please enter the price of mobile. Fine. Now I'm going to enter the mobile price is 1,000 dirham. Execute this. Now asking how many quantity you want to buy. So now my quantity is only one. Okay. See, what is the concept? The answer we got it here. Requested to buy more 4,000 dirham to achieve your discount. It means that now we have to, again, you have to use 4,000 dirham to avail the offer. Is all right? Now, again, execute this program. The price of mobile is again same 1,000 dirham. Now we change the plan. Now I want to purchase like two. Okay. Now see here, two. Now see here. The amount will be more than 1,000. So now total amount is 2,000. So where this is going 2,000, it will not come in 5,000. It will not come in 4,000. It will not come in 3,000. Here, 2,000. So 2%. So 2,000, 2%, that is equal 400. And you have to pay 2,000 minus 400, 1,600 dirham. Is this all right? Now, again, I am going to execute this. Mobile price is 1,000. How many quantity? I'm going to purchase here 6 quantity. So 6,000. Okay. Where is the range? 6,000. See, more than here. So 20%. So 20% 6,000. What is 1,200? So total discount will be 6,000 minus 4,800. So we have 6,000 minus 1,200. Then you have to pay 4,800. Is this all right? So now what we have to do? So same thing, we have to apply this all conditions. You can check it. Now final I want to say what you have to practice a lot and download from the my description. And now just now I told you in Google Classroom I am going to start, and in that I will register Google Classroom. In that all my presentation notes I am going to upload it. You can download and you can practice. Fine. And even though you are going to any doubts, please write in the comment section and as well as email me. So accordingly I will answer you. Thank you very much.